Rasam masala is a special homemade masala to prepare authentic South Indian rasam. Though several masala sachets are available in the market, but to get the real flavor of rasam, homemade masala is the best. You can even refrigerate this masala to store it for a long time. So let's start the recipe.